Hi guys, and let me show you how to make crispy potato wedges at home. So here are my potatoes that I'm just going to cut into wedges like you see on the video. And you can make yours bigger or smaller depending on the size of potatoes that you are using. And after that, you're just going to put the potatoes aside and take your spices. I used turmeric, garam masala, and paprika plus salt. Then to that, I added a little amount of cooking oil. You can use olive oil if you like. Then give that a good mix just to ensure that everything is incorporated well nicely and that the spices come together. And next, you're going to take your wedges and then you're going to put them into the mixture of the spices. And guys, I forgot to mention, part dry the potatoes to get rid of any water before putting them in the spices so that the mixture does not become watery. So after that, you're just going to take your pan and into that, you're going to add 1 tablespoon of margarine. You can use butter if you like. Next, I used 1 tablespoon of crushed garlic. You can use garlic powder if you've got it at hand or if you do not have the fresh garlic. So you're just going to stir this around, ensuring that the garlic is cooked and ready. And after the garlic is cooked, just go ahead and add your wedges, the ones that are coated with the spices like you see here, and then you're going to spread them out just to ensure that they lie flat on the pan like you see here. Use a bigger pan if you've got a lot of wedges. And after that, you are going to cover and cooking 5 minutes later, remove the cover, and then you're going to turn this on to the other side. And after turning them to the other side, now do not cover, just leave them to cook like you see here. And after cooking, the wedges will be ready and so delicious.